Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the three fitness trackers from Huawei. The Huawei Band 11, then we have the Band 10, and the Band 9. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, and the features. So we will have a short comparison of these wearables. As you requested, we'll show it to you side by side. Okay, so let's see if what are the changes when it comes to the design and the specs as well as the features. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Band 11 or the Band 10 and of course the Band 9, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have a quick comparison of its design, the specs, and the features. Let's go first with the packaging. As you can see here, they have the same size for the packaging, the same style. We have a preview here of the band. Okay, at the back we do have the specs and features. As you can see here. On the other side, we have the QR code. So the same style here, except for this one. Okay, so this is just a sticker, just a few information about the wearable. But as you can see here, the same style of packaging, even the size is just the same. Okay, again, Band 11, 10, and 9. So for the fitness trackers, I'm going to show it to you so we can compare. So here's the design of our Band 11. We have the Band 10 and the Band 9. So the same rectangular body frame with a physical button on the side. So let's go first with the Band 9. It has a flat body frame, slightly curved, metallic edge here as you can see. Then glossy finish. So this one is a bit metallic. Then glossy finish. The back we have a plastic back cover, interchangeable strap, lightweight, sporty fitness tracker. Then for our Band 11, it's now flat finish here, but still flat body frame on the side. I think it is just the same. You can see here. Then flexible silicone strap that is interchangeable. And as you can see here, they have the same size for the strap. This one you can use the Band 10 strap with our Band 9. So almost the same look with our Band 9, except that it has a flat finish here compared to the glossy finish of our Band 9. Then for the Band 10 or Band 11, is the body frame is much wider. Still we have a physical button here, curved, slightly curved. Then on the side, instead of a flat design, it is a bit curved or rounded. Still sporty looking fitness tracker and PC back cover here. And for the strap, it is much wider compared to our Band 10 and 9. You cannot use the strap of your Band 10 and 9 with our Band 11. But the charging cable, you can still use the charging cable. Okay. And as I have said before in our previous video, the design of Band 11 is somewhat similar to our Band 7. Okay, we have here the band 7. So this is a band 7. As you can see here, rounded edge, slightly curved, but this one is much slimmer. But if you're going to take a look at the body frame, it is pretty similar to our band 7. Okay, some says that it is just the design of the band 11 is similar to our band 7, somewhat like a recycled style or design. It's not unique compared to the Huawei Band 11 Pro, which is a fresh or new style of body frame. As you can see here, it's almost the same here, the band 11 and this one, the band 7. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. So which do you think is much better? So just a minor difference when it comes to the design. On the other side, the back cover here is just the same as you can see here. Even the cover for the sensor, the charging connector, and the style of or the style attachment for the strap. So for the weight, okay, again, before we proceed with the weight, let's check first. Can we check the dimension? Let's see. And the width, is it working? Let's see if this, yes, it is working. Okay, so for the width here, let's go first with the band 11, 28.0. For our band 10, 24.7. Then for our band 9, 24.7, the same. So for the length here, we have 42.5. For the band 10, we have 43.2. Then for the band 9, 43.3. Okay, 43.2, just the same. Band 10 and 11 do have the same dimensions. Then for the thickness without the sensor, 9.1. We have 8.8. Then the other one is 8.8. So the same dimension for the 9 and 10. Then next, let's check the weight. After this, we'll proceed with the specifications. Zero here. So let's have the weight here, 29.99 with the strap attached, or 79. Okay, 99, 29.99 with the strap attached. For the band 10, 29.16. Just minor difference when it comes to weight. Then 29.40. Then for the specifications, let's put it here. So we have 1.62 inch AMOLED display. Let's see if we have it here. Okay, we don't have the screen size, but as you can see here, the same workout modes here, the same thickness for the body frame. Then what else? Okay, for the screen display, 1.62. If I'm not mistaken, I think it is 1.47 inch. Here, let's see. Okay, just the same features here. Okay, anyway, for the specifications, I'm going to state it here just to make it clear. I don't have the full details for the specs, but I'm going to put it here when I edit the video. Okay, so we have here the specs for the 11, the 10, and the 9, so you can check it. Then next, let's proceed with the features. So this is the most important part of this video comparison. We'll compare the features. We'll not check anymore we'll not compare the UI anymore. It's almost the same. Let's proceed with our features here. Then let's have the first one. We have here the workout. Both do have 100 plus sports mode. We have workout records. So workout status here. We have activity records, emotional well-being. Let's go with the sleep monitoring. So the same icon here. Heart rate. For the heart rate, I'm interested to see the comparison here. Okay, so this is the animation for our heart rate. We have the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. Also have here the SpO2 or the blood oxygen. Agree. Okay, measure. Let's see. So this is the animation. So it's much better here in our Band 11. So we have here the breathing exercises, notification support, music control. Okay, we have weather. We have a calendar. Both do have a calendar. We have the timer, stopwatch. We have, okay, so flashlight. We have different term here. It is called torch. So for the torch, let's see. Okay, colors. So the same style here. Okay, so white, you can change the color here. Slow, fast. So the same options. We have a calculator. Do we have a calculator? Okay, so we don't have a calculator on our Band 9 and 10, but we have it here, and we have a compass. Okay, and you can change the menus here directly on 11 on the bottom part. For our Band 10 and 9, you have to go to the settings. Then for those who are interested to see the brightness option, so we have display and brightness. So this is a full brightness. For our Band 10, let's see the brightness here. Display and brightness. It is full. Then for our Band 11, the brightness. Okay, so this is the brightness. As you can see, we do have a very good screen display for our Band 11. Let's try to change the watch face here. Okay, let's pick this one. So which do you think is better? The menus, okay, and we have it here. So very sharp color for our Huawei Band 11 compared to Band 9 and 10. Fine phone, compass. We have the stopwatch here. did they change the UI for the stopwatch? Let's see. Okay, so different style. How about this one? Stopwatch. As you can see here, for the band 10 and 9, the UI is almost the same. But with the band 11, we do have a new layout, or it has been improved. We have about, let's see the operating system here. Harmony OS version 5.0. We don't have the details here for the OS. Okay, we have 4.2. Then for our band 11, we have 6.0. Again, 5.0, 4.2, and 6.0. Okay, so that's it for our quick comparison review for its design, the specs, and the features offered on band 11, 10, and 9. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.